Alright guys, welcome back to Castaway TV. I slept in this parking lot last night because we're not too far away from Gananoque Lake. I came here before for bass opener, and that's when my motor quit. And that's why we got this bad girl. So hopefully we have better luck today and the motor doesn't give out on me. I only caught one fish here. It was a nice pike actually. And the rest of the time I've spent playing with my motor, so hopefully today goes better. And that is the target species today. We're targeting pike. There is good bass in here as well, so we might catch one of those, maybe do a little catch and cook while we're out on the boat. But the main focus today is a pike. I'm looking to get over a 40-inch pike this fall. Last year I got like 36 and a half, but I want to break that 40-inch range. So we can't do it here, we got to go out in the water, so let's go.
Perfect.
Bam. Bam, baby, bam. Well, not even 15 minutes in, we got a bass in the boat. Today is going to be a good day, I can feel it already. Alright, after those few fish, I haven't had anything. I haven't had a morning cup of coffee either, so I'm gonna make that here on the boat. These burners are perfect. You can bring them anywhere, super small, and you can make coffee on your boat, which hopefully if we catch another fish, we're probably gonna do a catch and cook for lunch today on the boat. Anyways, yeah, that's my update. Alright guys, it's been a strange day out here on the water. I caught those 3 fish right off the bat this morning. After that, no bites for a long time. The coolest thing I caught was that clip of the heron taking off. And then I just made a switch up to the bass rod. And in the last half an hour, I caught like 8 fish. Here. bro. All of a sudden, biting like no other. Every couple casts, getting a bite. And yeah, one sec. So yeah, not only did I catch a few fish, I caught some eaters. So we're gonna have some lunch here. It's been a weird day, but I'm gonna flay them up and we're gonna have lunch on the boat today. Well guys, I don't think it gets much fresher than this. Sun's coming out, my belly's about to be full, the day's turning around. Now we just gotta get a half decent pike in the boat. But if not, it's still a great day. Still gonna have some fish and chips. You motherfucker. Okay, I just came into this bay. Ended up catching my second pike finally. But I just released that bass. Of course, I recorded this whole segment already, and well, I thought I did, but I didn't hit record. Anyways, this is like the bass opener redemption, I guess, because this is the goal I had when I came out here on the bass opener when I blew the motor, was to come out here, catch some bass, and catch a nice bass like that. That was probably a 3.5, 4 pound bass, and that's a pretty good bass for this lake. So super happy about that. That's, I think, my third best bass, and yeah. So far, so good. It's been a great day. Caught over 10 bass. Haven't caught pike. That's what I said I was coming out here to do. But as I said, it's the bass opener redemption, I guess. Anyways, we're going to continue. You never know. Maybe we're going to catch my PB pike next. Oh. This dude has been through it. He's got wounds on his tail. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. It was like 12 hours on the boat that day, but it was a good day. I actually needed that mentally. I haven't been doing too hot lately. I'm feeling better now, but I had a couple weeks there where I just did not feel like myself. I was very stressed and just exhausted, so I'm sorry I haven't been as steady with my videos. I like to at least put out one a week, and I haven't been doing that, and I apologize, but I'm gonna try to get back to my regular programming now. But yeah, thank you all for watching. As you've seen, we have a new intro. They put a copyright claim on the song I used for the first 70 videos I've made. So we gotta create a new one. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. And until the next video, one day at a time, baby.